Welcome back to our channel, Kenso. Today I am going to introducing a very interesting topic, that is displacement reaction. The displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which the more reactive element displaces the less reactive element from its compound. This reaction is named as a displacement reaction. Okay, let us discuss a small example. A compound AB. Okay, here A is a less reactive metal and B is a non-metal. Okay, when it is compared with a more reactive metal, that is C, okay, it displaces the place of A from the compound AB and to form CB and A. Okay, so a more reactive metal, it displaces a less reactive metal from the compound. This reaction is named as a displacement reaction. Okay, let us learn this displacement reaction in detail with the help of activities. For this activity, we want to take 3 beakers and it containing 50 ml of water in each beaker. And let us label them A, B and C. Then consider the beaker A. Then I am going to add some copper sulfate powder to it and shake it well. Now you can see the color of the solution become blue color. That is means copper sulfate solution is blue in color. Then after I am going to add in some zinc granules to this solution and keep its solution undisturbed for some time. After the chemical reaction, you can observe that the blue color of the solution disappear and the solution become colorless. What could be the reason behind it? It is because of the displacement reaction. Okay, let us see the chemical equation. In chemical equation, this copper sulfate, we are adding the zinc granules. Okay, the zinc granules, that is metal, and in copper sulfate, copper is a metal. Okay, here which one is more reactive? Here zinc is more reactive than copper. So, it displaces the place of copper from this copper sulfate and to form zinc sulfate and copper. Here, this copper sulfate is blue in color and the zinc sulfate is colorless solution. The reason behind the color change of solution is, initially this beaker containing copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate is blue in color. And after the displacement reaction, the solution becomes zinc sulfate and zinc sulfate is colorless solution. But then, where is copper? This copper is settled down the bottom of the beaker. So finally, this reaction is named as a displacement reaction. Let us move to the second example. Here take the second beaker, that is beaker B. Now I am adding the same salt, that is copper sulfate powder. And we know the color of the solution, that is blue color. Then after I am adding some iron nails to the solution. After adding the iron nails, keep the solution undisturbed for some time. After some time, we carefully observe the color change of the solution. The blue has changed to green. Again, it indicates a chemical reaction is take place between copper sulfate and iron. Okay, let us see the chemical reaction. Here, we are taking the copper sulfate solution and adding iron nails. Okay, iron is a metal and in copper sulfate, copper is a metal. Which one is more reactive? Here, iron is more reactive than copper. So, it easily displaces the place of copper in copper sulfate and to form iron sulfate and copper. Okay, and this copper sulfate is blue in color and this iron sulfate is green color solution. So this is the reason why the blue color solution is changed to green color. And what about in copper? This copper is deposited on the iron layers. So this reaction is named as a displacement reaction. Let's see what is going to happen in beaker C. And in beaker C, I am dissolving some zinc sulfate salt. And carefully observing what is the color of this solution. It has no color, it is colorless solution. So this next step, I am adding some copper turns to it and let it undisturbed for some time. After some time, did you see any color change or any other chemical reaction happen in the beaker? I cannot see anything. So we can say no chemical reaction take place in the beaker. What would be the reason behind it? Okay, let us learn this reason with the help of a chemical reaction. Here, take zinc sulfate solution and we are adding the copper tents. And which one is the most reactive metal? Here, the zinc is most reactive than copper. So, copper cannot displace the place of zinc in the compound of zinc sulfate. So, what we get the product after the chemical reaction? So, we will get the same product, that is zinc sulfate and copper. So, remember that the displacement reaction means it is a chemical reaction in which the most reactive element displaces the less reactive element from the compound. This video is the last part of this chapter, metals and non-metals. The next video we will see with a new chapter. Until then, bye.